Welcome to Uplift Yourself English. Daily conversation, lifelong practice, speaking, learning, and global communication. Ready for daily conversation and global confidence? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Imagine walking to a cafe and ordering your favorite tea. But instead of just your drink, you get a chance to practice real English conversation. This simple dialogue between a customer and a server will help you speak confidently. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your fluency step by step. And remember that daily practice builds a lifelong confidence. So stay till the end and let's. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends so they never miss our daily practice. No further delay, let's start. Hello, do you have tea here? Hello, do you have tea here? Of course, sir, we have milk tea, black tea, and lemon tea. Of course, sir, we have milk tea, black tea, and lemon tea. What's your best tea? What's your best tea? Our ginger milk tea is very popular, hot, strong, and fresh. Our ginger milk tea is very popular, hot, strong, and fresh. Sounds good. One ginger tea, please. Sounds good. One ginger tea, please. Sure, small cup or large cup? Sure, small cup or large cup? What's the difference? What's the difference? Small is $2.50, large is $3.50. Large cup has extra flavor. Small is $2.50, large is $3.50. Large cup has extra flavor. Okay, give me the large one. Okay, give me the large one. Great choice. Anything else? Coffee maybe? Great choice. Anything else? Coffee maybe? Do you have black coffee? Do you have black coffee? Yes, sir. Strong and simple. Yes, sir. Strong and simple. Okay, give me one black coffee too. Okay, give me one black coffee too. So, one ginger tea and black coffee, right? So, one ginger tea and one black coffee, right? Yes, that's perfect. Yes, that's perfect. Wow, the smell is amazing. Wow, the smell is amazing. Here you go, ginger tea and black coffee. Here you go, ginger tea and black coffee. Thank you. How much is it? Thank you. How much is it? Just $6, sir. Just $6, sir. Here $7. Keep the change. Here $7. Keep the change. Thank you. Enjoy your drinks. Thank you. Enjoy your drinks. I will, by the way, your tea is famous. I will, by the way, your tea is famous. Yes, sir. Once people try, they always come back. Yes, sir. Once people try, they always come back. Let's see. If I like it, I will back tomorrow. Let's see. If I like it, I will back tomorrow. Challenge accepted, sir. Challenge accepted, sir. This is perfect. This is perfect. True. Tea, not just tea. It is happiness in a cup. True. Tea is not just tea. It is happiness in a cup. Thanks for watching this video.